If your scalp is throwing a dandruff party that you didn't RSVP to, then this is the video for you. Hi guys, I'm Ritika and you're watching me on BeBeautiful. In today's video, I'm going to be talking about something that everyone deals with, dandruff. I'll be sharing my anti-dandruff curly hair routine today, along with some tips on how to keep your scalp healthy. So let's get into it. Dandruff usually happens when your scalp sheds excess dead skin cells faster than normal. It may be due to your scalp health, excess oil, irregular washing, scalp hygiene, scalp fungus. All of these can contribute to dandruff, and sometimes it's just oil, dirt or product sitting on your scalp for too long, and that in turn causes a buildup and then looks like dandruff. So dandruff can show up even if you don't do anything wrong. Switching between your regular hair routine and having the occasional deep cleanse is really going to be beneficial for your scalp and keep the dandruff under control. People with curly hair like mine tend to use more styling products like creams, gels and oils which can sit on top of your scalp, causing the buildup. And since curly hair routines often focus on gentle or irregular shampooing, the scalp might not get thoroughly cleansed, making the flakes more visible. This is why curly hair should have a mindful and consistent scalp care routine even if you don't have any dandruff. So I start with the Love Beauty Planet Rosemary and Yuzu Lemon Anti-Dandruff Shampoo. It lathers well and removes all the buildup, flakes and excess oil while keeping the scalp balanced. The rosemary helps purify the scalp and removes buildup gently without stripping the hair, making it perfect for curly hair. Every wash feels like a reset for the scalp. Pro tip, let the shampoo sit on your scalp for 2 to 3 minutes. Let it do its thing before you rinse it off. This really helps break down all of that buildup, especially if you struggle with extreme dandruff or a very oily scalp. Then I follow that up with the Love Beauty and Planet Rosemary and Yuzu Lemon Anti-Dandruff Scalp Conditioning Treatment. It is essential to follow up with a conditioner to bring back the moisture and bounce to your curls. I use a few pumps all over my hair, brush it through with a wet brush to make sure it's evenly applied. Curly hair naturally holds on to more product which can weigh your hair down and affect how conditioners and masks work. Sometimes what looks like dandruff can actually just be product buildup on your scalp. Using a clarifying or anti-dandruff shampoo occasionally can really help keep your scalp clean, helps products absorb better and keeps your curls looking healthy and bouncy. Limiting heavy stylers and listening to your scalp can really make a big difference in your overall scalp health. So that's it. If you have curly hair and you deal with product buildup or flake, I really hope this video was helpful for you. Don't forget to like and share this video and subscribe to BeBeautiful. Thank you guys so much for watching and I'll see you guys next time.